Ohayo, konnichiwa, konbanwa.
Welcome back to JFTN, Japan Fishing Tackle News. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade the DAIWA CALDIA LT 2021 by adding ball bearings. Please note, disassembling and customizing your reel, including adding bearings, is at your own risk. If you encounter any issues such as worsened performance or if you're unable to reassemble the reel, we cannot take responsibility. If you're not comfortable with this, I recommend stopping the video now. With mid to low priced reels like this CALDIA, customizing and upgrading can be part of the fun. Today, we'll be adding bearings to 3 areas: the handle knob, inside the spool, and the line roller. For the spool, we'll focus on the internal parts related to the drag. First, remove the drag knob and take out the spool. Use tweezers to carefully remove the drag parts, including the pin. DAIWA's ATD drag system relies heavily on this specific grease to achieve its unique drag characteristics. Unless you need to re-grease it, make sure to handle it carefully during the process to avoid removing the grease. Replace the metal bush with a ball bearing. I'm using a bearing sealed on one side. If you prefer smoother performance, use oil. If you want durability, especially for saltwater, use grease. Then, assemble back all the drag parts to the spool. Make sure to pay attention to the orientation of each part when reassembling. The drag seems to have become slightly smoother, but the difference is still minimal at this point. Let's continue for the other parts. Next, we'll upgrade the spool support part. First, use a small hex wrench to remove the set screw in this part. This set screw secures the component in place. Once the screw is removed, you can take out the entire part from the shaft. Replace the white bushing with the ball bearing. Replace the bushing with the ball bearing and fit it into the cover. Assemble the entire set onto the main shaft. Finally, return the set screw to secure the component to the main shaft. Now, let's add bearings to the handle knob. In its initial state, this area doesn't rotate very smoothly. Remove the knob cap and the screws. Remove the handle knob from the shaft. There are plastic bushes on both the top and bottom of the handle knob. We'll replace these with bearings. Whether or not there is a washer depends on the individual reel. If a washer is present, keep it for possible clearance adjustments after replacement. Integrate the bearing into the handle knob. Don't forget to apply oil. Insert the knob onto the shaft. Place the bearing into the other side of the handle knob. Adjust to ensure the shaft fits securely. Apply oil to ensure proper lubrication. Then, tighten the screws. If clearance adjustment is needed, add a 0.1 mm shim and adjust accordingly. This upgrade is very simple but noticeable in its effects. If you're interested, definitely give it a try. Finally, let's upgrade the line roller. The Caldia already has one bearing, but we'll add another by replacing the plastic bush. In fact, adding a bearing to the line roller is somewhat special and not as simple as just replacing the bushing like before. It requires several additional parts to assemble the ball bearing. You will need to either purchase parts such as the color rings and rubber seals around the existing ball bearing from DAIWA Official or buy a dedicated kit from Hedgehog Studio to replace everything at once. For this upgrade, I am using the Hedgehog Studio kit. First, remove the screws from the line roller. Be careful not to disassemble the entire line roller. Although it's not shown in the video, placing the bale wire side down and turning the screw from above to gently remove it will help prevent disassembly. Slowly lower the rotor arm to make the line roller accessible. The side with the ball bearing is already installed. The black part is a rubber seal, which likely serves as a waterproofing feature for the line roller. When removing the line roller, be careful not to lose the small metal bushing on the bearing side. Remove the white plastic bushing from the opposite side of the extracted line roller. This time, you will replace this bushing with a full set of ball bearings and collars. After lubricating the bearing, insert it into the white collar, just as you did with the bearing on one side. Then, place the black rubber seal on the side opposite where the collar covers the bearing. You can refer to the bearing that was originally installed for this sequence. Fit this assembly into the line roller. Next, insert the line roller into the projection on the bale side, making sure not to forget the small metal bushing. Gently raise the rotor arm and secure it with screws. And now the line roller should be much smoother, helping to reduce line twist. Now all the upgrades are done. The drag is smoother, the handle knob spins more freely, and the line roller operates better. After using the upgraded reel, what I particularly noticed was the smoothness of the drag start. While it doesn't reach the level of the Exist, it is now comparable to the Luvias and Luvias Era T. So smooth that there is barely any noticeable difference. The slight drag start hitch has been eliminated. Each upgrade can enhance your fishing experience, so if you're interested, give it a try. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We hope our channel can help make your fishing experience a little better. Thank you for watching.